Love, Nanay Claire.
Hello KaFam! Isang araw, isang pahina ng aming buhay. I think the world is getting used to what we say quarantine life, or shall I say people are getting creative learning how to live productively while staying at home. It's transformative, isn't it? Well, welcome to our simple yet productive day. Never really thought to have a green thumb, but gardening has been a surprise hobby for me and so for Claire during this pandemic. We started with sunflowers and vegetables, which some of them died, but now ready to care for more sensitive succulents. We will be sharing our care tips for succulents for beginners like us soon. Planting doesn't only for beautification purposes, but rather it gives us a therapeutic routine, something we cannot literally explain, but it comes so natural to us to feel so calm while doing it. Just imagine how much food the world needs every day, and so maybe it's time for us to raise awareness and be interested into farming. Salute to all farmers for providing us food on the table.
Hi, KaFam.
Having a schoolroom and a play area gets very messy most of the time, which is equivalent to more time allotted for tidying up. Whenever we get free time, we spend a little time to clean up the space to maintain the learning while playing goal, and ready to untidy it again. Lunchtime is just eating what my mother cooks for the day. I am a big fan of cooking shows like MasterChef, Rachel Ray, Cooking with Giada, Barefoot Contessa, name it, but I honestly do not have skills in cooking at all. But I must say, Claire has more cooking potentials than I have, and maybe soon you will all see her starting to cook real food. Our typical day is actually like a ticking clock. Every second counts, one thing after another. With a little singing and working on some school activities, then I'll leave the rest to Grandma to finish the rest of her online school homework. Then it's time for me to start my work mode by taking first a nap. A short nap. No, a very short nap, like 20 minutes or less. And makes me wonder sometimes if I really had a nap or I just closed my eyes. Then I'm up to say hello to the world. This is the reason why I learned how to put my makeup on, because I look very pale on the camera. So I need a little color to boost my confidence in discussing these lesson materials to 11 countries in the world. Sounds overwhelming but very enjoyable as I gain different perspectives with different cultures. So this is what I do as Claire is doing her schoolwork and playing outside. After long hours, it's time to turn off my video and becomes the learner instead. I am taking this short course now as a national competency, and I am enjoying so far learning something related to my degree. It is still nice sometimes to refresh what we already know because different industries offers different professionalism. I learned recently that being productive is not really about completing as many tasks as you can in a day, but rather, being productive means investing time into your well-being and learning new things for self-progression. Do something that makes you happy. It could be a frustrated skill that you would like to learn from the start, or an old hobby that you miss doing because of working or studying too hard. As they say, planning to have a 5 minutes reading or practicing most of the time leads to an hour or two afterwards. And you'll be able to recover again the sense of happiness and peace that you wanted. Being productive is learning the transformative way and be able to be a better person, and so to other people and to the world. The product of what you do every single day of your life is yourself. Make your everyday worthy and meaningful, because what you are nourishing today is what you expect yourself to be in the future. Love, Nanay and Claire.